Welcome to my channel Hybrid Learning. Today I have taken for how to find cubes and cube roots in an easy way. Okay. So first you have to by heart the first 10 cube numbers. So for example, 1, 2, 3, up to 1 to 10 first natural numbers. Okay. So if it is multiplied 3 times, I'll be getting these answers. So at least you have to by heart these numbers. And if you are given a 6-digit number or even 9-digit number, you can easily find out the cube root within 5 minutes. Okay. So just you have to follow these rules. So you have to remember these rules. First, if the last digit of the cube root is 8, okay, if the last digit of the cube root is 8, then the unit digit will be, for example, here 8 is having your last digit, cube root of something is having 8 as the last digit. So the unit digit will be 2. So 2 cube only it's 8. So then reverse. If the last digit of the cube root is 2, then the unit digit will be 8. Okay, I'll explain with example. First, I'll go through the rules, then I'll explain with 2 examples. And if the last digit of the cube root is 3, then the unit digit will be 7. And again, it's vice versa. If the last digit of the cube root is 7, then the unit digit will be 3. Okay. So if the last digit of the cube root is other than 2, 3, 7, and 8. Okay, if it is other than 2, 3, 7, and 8, then the same number is as the digit. Okay, so we will see the last example. For this, I am going to explain you now. For this rule, I am going to explain you now. Find the cube root of the given number. Okay, what is the cube root means? Some number is multiplied three times and the answer is 39,304. Now you're going to find the cube root. So you'll be writing like this. This is the format, cube root of 39,304. So for finding out the square root, we'll be using long division method, right? For here, it is very easy. Okay, you just follow the rule and you can identify. Okay, so I'm writing the number again, 39304. Okay, just underline the unit digit. What is the unit digit here? It is 4. So it is, you have to check all the rules. If it is the last digit 8, no. If the last digit is 2, no. If the last digit is 3, no. If the last digit of the cube root is 7, no. So if the last digit of the cube root is other than 2, 3, 7, 8, then put the same number as the unit digit. Okay. So now for this, you are going to find the cube root. For that, the unit digit is the same. So you have found the unit digit. Okay. So this is the first step. Now, second step is to ignore the last 3 digits. Okay. Ignore the last 3 digits. What is the remaining digit? 39. Right. Now you have to take 39. So what is the closest cube root of 39? You have to check here. You have to come and check here. 1 is 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is 64. So the 39 lies between 27 and 64, right? So you have to take the minimum value. You have to take the minimum value. So you have to write here 3. So this is the answer. So if you multiply 34 into 34 into 34, you will get the answer as 39,300. Simple, right? I'll explain you again. First, you have to take the number, okay? Underline the unit digit. And if it is other than 2, 3, 7, and 8, you have to write the same number as it is. So here it is not 2, it is not 3, it is not 7, and it is not 8. So I have written the 4 as it is. Now cut off the last 3 digits. Okay. What is the remaining digit? It is 39. You write the 39. And you have to, for 39, you just compare which is the nearest cube root. Okay. So it is between 27 and 64. And you have to take the least one. So I am taking the 3 cube. So I am writing 3. So 34 is the cube root of the given number, 39,300. Understood? Now I'll explain with another example. Find the cube root of the following number, that is 2,38,328. 38,328. You have to write the number as it is. 238,328. What is the first step? You have to underline the last digit. You underline the last digit. Now the last digit is 8. You have a specified rule under this, right? If the last digit is 8, the last cube root of the number is 8, then the unit digit will be 2. If it is 8, then your answer's last unit digit will be 2. Okay, you write 2. Then the second step is to cut off the last 3 digits. So you cut off the last 3 digits. What is the remaining digit? 238. You write 238. Okay. So you now look at the table, which is the nearest cube root having 238. Okay. Now I'm like looking at the table 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 260, and then 343. So it lies between here, right? The 238 lies between 216 and 343. And I have to take the minimum value. So I am taking the 6 cube. Okay. So you write 6 here. So the cube root of the given number is 62 into 62 into 62 is the given number 2,38,328. So the answer is 68 the whole cube. Understood? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.